What we really want to show you in this video is a neat trick for our open house night that will give you a little breathing room. Here's a super quick way to loop your slideshow so that it plays automatically. Once you have finished entering all of your photos, press slideshow in the top right corner. From presentation view, hover your mouse in the bottom left corner, click on the three dots. Hover over autoplay and select for your duration of each slide. Then make sure you select loop and finally press play.